Welcome to Wheels Report. The 2025 BMW X6 is a sleek and athletic SUV that combines performance, luxury, and technology. While the sloping roofline reduces rear headroom and load space, it provides a distinctive and eye-catching look. The 2025 BMW X6 features a stunning coupe-like roofline. This sloping design gives it a sleek, aerodynamic appearance that sets it apart from traditional SUVs. The basic M Sport package enhances the car's athletic appearance with aerodynamic improvements like a body kit, as well as features like adaptive M suspension and M wheels for improved handling. Standard LED headlights with cornering lights provide excellent illumination and complement the front fascia's current design. The X6 offers a beautiful interior with high-quality materials. One prominent feature is the standard BMW Curved Display, which seamlessly integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch central information display. This innovative configuration provides a user experience that is both modern and intuitive. The inside is crammed with technology, including the BMW Operating System 8.5, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a high-quality audio system. The 2025 X6 offers several powertrain options to suit different driving styles. The X6 xDrive 40i, this model's turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine generates 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. The usage of a mild hybrid system increases fuel efficiency and provides additional power when necessary. The X6 M60i's 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine produces 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.1 seconds, giving a more energetic driving experience. The top-of-the-line X6M boasts a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine capable of producing up to 617 horsepower with the optional competition package. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs available. All models have BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission, which provide exceptional grip and smooth gear changes. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. An improved highway assistant enables lane changes by gazing in the appropriate side mirror. The 2025 BMW X6 xDrive 40i starts at $74,500. The X6 M60i costs $94,300. Optional packages and features can increase the overall cost, allowing buyers to customize the vehicle to their own demands.
Thanks for watching.